What do you need for successful start with trading? In this video, I will show you how to turn a small sum into thousands and grow the starting $50 multiple times. Watch this video till the end and I will show you the result. Let's get the party started. Alright, let's set up our system right away. We will only need two indicators, fractal, chaos and MACD. For the first one, I recommend removing the background and making the lines more visible through this isn't mandatory. For better clarity, I will personally make this adjustment for MACD. Change fast period to 14 and remove all lines. We only need this histogram, the bars. Now our strategy is ready and we can analyze its signals. Let's start with the first, fractal chaos indicators. This is the channel formed by two lines. The key is observing price reactions at these boundaries. When entire line is breached, expert moving is that indicator. The channel acts as a key level. We are particularly interested in bonuses of these boundaries. When price re-enters the channel after a breakout, this signals a potential trend reversal. This works both ways. If there is a bounce upward, the price increase. If the asset reverses downward from the line, expert a deadline. Now let's examine our second indicator, the MACD. It acts as a filter with bars and confirm upward movement. Red bars confirm downward movements. When you compare with the price chart, you can see it matches the price rise. The red zone corresponds to the decline. These correlations are consistent and can be used to identify the most precious trade entries. These basically it. We enter position based on fractal charts and confirm with MACD. Now it's time to test the strategy on the fresh chart. With accelerate growth, let's go. So initially risk is set at $50. Just 2% of my trading account. I'm entering immediately on the set downwards move. Let's analyze the setup. MACD is the red zone confirming the downward rejection from the channel. Right now the asset is preparing to decline and we are capturing this movement. Enough through the price has been rising for a long time. This can't last forever. And our signals are precisely indicating a trend reversal. Now all that left is to wait for expirations and take out our first profit. By the way, why do you need just $50? It's simply you can open trade with just a little as $1, which is only 2% of your deposit. This is way I definitely won't lose our entire deposit in just few trades. The key is follow the signals, trade strictly by the rules. Meanwhile, the asset is moving in the desired direction and the trade is about to close. Just a few more seconds and yes, first milestone achieved. Guys, I will stay on the chart for now as I don't see the movement we need here. There's still potentially, which means we can make more money. We will wait for 10 seconds and re-enter the position. If the signal remains valid, I recommended reusing it for another trade. Entering another short position, the asset has stuck, but our indicators are screaming ready to drop. I'm in the market now, potentially waiting for a move. There's actually massive potential here. The asset is literally on the verge of a major reversal. You can draw the trend line and see price is about to break downward. These structural break indicators a complete market shift. Let's not get ahead of ourselves through. For now, we are just waiting for 1 minute expiration. Important note, I am trading with the framework of aggressive growth. But you should stick to those 2% risk rule. And remember, even my initial risk stay at 2%. In other words, no rushing. Meanwhile, second trade close profitably, guys. And I still haven't seen significant movement in our desired direction. So we will wait and I will enter another trade soon. Patience is everything in trading. Guys, If you can't wait and climb your profit, you win. I am back with the market. The assets are approached the channel lower boundaries. Now we anticipated either a breakdown or reversal. Always trade repeating patterns when the asset allows. Remember, trend is your friend. Meanwhile, you should keep trading in one direction while conditions allow. We are now at the channel lower boundary. This is the make or break movement. If price start reversing here, it's time to switch chart immediately. However, if you downward breakdown continue, will stay right here and enter another trade. We will one more. Well, everything is going the way we need it. In just 10 seconds, I will lock in my third trade in a row. Look like the boost has officially begun. Alright, 3 to 1, here we go. Let me show how you currently set up on this asset. We had upward trend that stalled here. Consolidation began at this level. At this stage, price paused, faced a choice, resume up and reverse down, and it chose the downside. We are not arguing with the market. Instead, we are entering another trade right here. Let me reiterate, deposit boosting is pro tool. As beginners, you should stick to safer 2 to 3% of your deposit. For those to chase bigger gains, join my Telegram channel where I share personally trade signals. With their high success rate, you can profit even with boosting by simply copying my trades. Check the video description for the link. On the channel, you will also find trader life hacks, my unfiltered market makes, my hull filter market takes, exclusive content you won't get elsewhere. Got question? DM me directly. I'm always happy to chat. Now back to our trade. Live update. Price keep moving in our favor. About to close our fourth consecutive winning trade. We will switch assets. After this, gotta keep things fresh for you. Another profitable trade is this quick session. Switching charts now, and we will continue right away. Okay guys, here is a primary entry opportunity. I am opening a short position. This is a straightforward trade with idle signals. First, MACD is red. Second, clear rejection from the channel support. Exclusive plan. Hold on for 1 minute, then lock in profit. Just like last time, this trade occurs during a trend reversal, a completely normal market behavior. You need to learn to identify those critical movements when price exhausts its momentum and prepare to reverse. This is exactly where fractal chaos shines. It helps spot and these several points on the chart so you can profit from them. At the same time, it often gives false signals, which is I use MACD, whose bars clearly indicate what the asset is about to do. 2-3 indicators are already quite enough. Guys, you don't need more, but just one is unlikely to cover your needs. While I explaining, I already managed to close the trade with a profit. That's what easy. Now I will switch asset again. Let's go. So a new trade on the GPV AUD chart. Here I entered on the downside. The entry logic is elementary. All through the asset bounced up slightly earlier. I didn't last long, and now the pair is declining with the downward channel. Breakout. MACD is also red, so there is no doubt about the correctness of my decision. This, by the way, is a good example of trading a sideways trend. Look at the chart without indicators and it seems like completely unpredictable chaos. But our indicators perfectly highlight all the key points of this movement, and here we could successfully trade both up and down. So the movement of truth, the asset is now starting to move in our desired direction. That's why it always worth keeping a cool ahead. And there is we go, another profitable trade, enough for now. By the way, here is an important announce about the situation. We could have gone long here and taken our profit because indicator signal align. Here the situation is different. The channel suggests one more thing, but MACD doesn't confirm the trade. Without it, many wouldn't haven't taken a loss here, which only confirms the value of using these two indicators together. I'm sure you have no more questions about the strategy, so it's time to move on to the summary. I hope this helped you in your own practice. I also count on your engagement under this video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to leave our comment. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. There you will get personal training signal. But now see you in the future videos and catch you later.